You're like most people. You hate the idea of taking a cold shower. We've gotten so used to showering in warm water that we only really notice it when it runs out. Warm showers can help you warm up and are incredibly relaxing, which is their greatest benefit. But have you ever stopped to think about the benefits of showering in cold water? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. Here are some benefits of taking cold showers. They leave you feeling more alert. If you normally feel sluggish and sleepy when you wake up, try taking a cold shower. Once your body makes contact with the cold water, the temperature change causes it to react. Your breathing becomes heavier, allowing you access to more oxygen, and your heart rate increases in order to balance your body temperature. Due to the increase in circulation, we stay awake and alert all day long. They help burn fat. Cold showers can help you lose weight in a less conventional way. Our body has two types of fat, what's known as white adipose tissue, or white fat, and brown adipose tissue, or brown fat. The white fat builds up in areas such as your neck, thigh, waist, and back. It appears mainly due to excessive calorie intake. Brown fat, on the other hand, is known as good fat and generates heat in order to keep us warm. Studies have shown that showering in cold water can activate that fat, and it will burn more calories. This means that you could lose up to 9 pounds in a year if you keep up this habit. They improve your skin and hair. You've probably noticed that your hair and skin get dried out when you take hot showers during the winter. Cold water does the opposite, sealing up the ends of your hair and your pores, locking moisture in. They improve your immunity. One of a cold shower's best benefits is the sudden temperature change, also known as contrast bath therapy. This practice consists of starting with a warm shower and turning the water suddenly to cold after a few minutes. Scientists believe that this type of shower generates an increase in the immune system cells, which could help your body fight off diseases. They improve your circulation. As we explained earlier, cold water causes a reaction in your body, an increase in heart rate, which increases your circulation. Furthermore, the contrast in temperature helps your body to better pump your blood through your arteries, which has a positive impact on your overall health. They fight depression. You may be thinking, how can a simple cold shower influence our mood and even fight depression? Our skin has cold sensors which send electric impulses to our brain whenever it is in contact with cold water, causing an antidepressant effect on our body. A study performed in 2008 showed that this type of shower produces an analgesic effect that doesn't lead to any dependence or negative side effects. They help our muscles to recover faster. You've probably already seen athletes take ice baths after an intense workout or practice to relieve muscle pain, but you don't have to take it that far. Studies have shown that even a cold shower can relieve muscle pain and increase recovery time. They relieve stress. Taking a cold shower makes our body enter stress mode, which can actually increase our tolerance to stress and even certain diseases. A study has shown that exposure to cold reduced the uric acid level in the participants. This compound is related to the appearance of several different sicknesses. The study also noted an increase in our body's glutathione levels, an enzyme that serves as an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and natural blood purifier. Now that you know everything that there is to know about the benefits of taking a cold shower, we're going to teach you how to do it. If you've ever read any of the James Bond books, you've probably noticed that he showers differently. He would start out in a hot shower and gradually lower the temperature until it was as cold as it would go. Also known as the James Bond shower, you can copy his secret routine by alternating between hot and cold water every 20 to 30 seconds. Once you're used to this, why not try a real cold shower? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.